With a curiosity to see the inner workings of objects and foods that are very useful in our daily lives, today we will examine an important component of computers, the RAM. The RAM module I have here is DDR2, and nowadays there are much faster versions like DDR4 and DDR5, but back in the day, these RAMs were the backbone of computers. The capacity generally ranged from 512 megabyte to 2 gigabyte, which was more than enough at that time. Now, let's take a closer look at this RAM, where there are things we can't see with the naked eye. First, let's check out these metallic connection points, where the RAM connects to the motherboard. They are usually coated with gold or a gold-like metal alloy. The reason for this is to prevent oxidation and ensure better data transmission. Here we also see white paste-like strips, which are critical points connecting the circuit boards. If these points are damaged, the RAM could stop working. There's some oxidation here because it's old, and we also see the soldering points. When we get to the label section, we see the capacity and speed details. Thanks to the barcode and serial numbers, we can even tell it was manufactured in a factory. It's really amazing engineering. Again, we see the soldering points. This is probably one of the components that helps regulate the voltage or stabilize the data flow. Finally, we return to where we started. If you liked my video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next review.